Hello students, I am Jyoti Pujani from Indian Online Olympiad School. Okay, as we know that we are already done with our level 1 IMO. So now we have to do the preparation for the level 2. Okay, so now as what we have to do now, we have to get ready for your difficulty levels. Okay, because difference between level 1 and level 2 is the only difficulty level. Syllabus will remain the same. Okay, now just like we have started a new topic in a level 1, so now we have to go for the difficult questions of that chapter. Okay, so today I'm going to take a session on that. Okay, so let's start now. Okay, let me share my screen with you now. In this, what we have to do, in this session, I will tell you some tricks to do the difficult question in a short time. Okay, so this is our grade 7 IMO level 2 syllabus. We know that the syllabus remains the same. Integers, fraction and decimal. Many new chapters have introduced in your grade 7, right? Integers, fraction and decimal, exponent and powers, algebraically expressions, simple linear equation, line and angles, comparing quantities, triangle and its properties, congruence of triangles, rational number, perimeter and area, visualizing solid shapes, data handling, practical. So in today's session, I will take some of the questions out of them. Okay. So what is the pattern of level 2? In level 1, there were 4 sections. Okay. Logical reasoning, mathematical reasoning, everyday mathematics, and our achiever section. But here in level 2, there will only be 2 sections. Section 1 is mathematics, section 2 achiever section. Mathematics section, there will be 45 questions. Each question will carry 1 mark. And in section 2, the achiever section, there are 5 questions and each question will carry 3 marks. Total 60 marks as in level 1. So I'm starting. Okay, so I'm taking some question for the first section, mathematics. So let's start now. The ratio of RAM savings to its expenditure is 5:2. Okay, you know the meaning of savings and expenditure. You are in grade 7, right? And that's of Manu is 4:3. Okay, savings to expenditure. RAM is ratio of RAM is to 5:2. And in case of Manu, the ratio of saving is to expenditure is 4:3. Okay, yes, this is the case of RAM. Now, if RAM expenditure is 1/3 of Manu's expenditure, and sum of their expenditure is rupees 3,000, find the salaries of RAM and Manu respectively. Okay, RAM savings and expenditure are in the ratio of 5:2. It means if savings are 500, then expenditure is 200. It means if saving are just like if I'm saying saving are 1,000, then my expenditure will be 400. They will always, whenever I will solve them, it will give you ratio of 5:2. It means if savings are 5x, then expenditure will be 2x because we don't know the exact value right now. Okay, so 5x and 2x. Here, I have to take the like this constant of proportionality, but I'm not supposed to take x because if I will choose x, that will be the same thing. So it will not possible. If we have a two different person, then their cost and they have different ratios, then the constant of proportionality will be the different. So here you have to use 4y and 3y. You can use any variable that depends upon you. Okay. Now I will read according to what they have given. If RAM expenditure, what is the RAM expenditure? This is expenditure, that is a 2x. Is equal to 1/3 of Manu's. 1/3 of Manu expenditure. Manu expenditure is 3y. Right, everyone? 3 got cancelled with the 3. So 2x is equal to y. So we find a relationship between x and y. That's a 2x is equal to y. Now, sum of their expenditure is 3,000. What is their expenditure? Expenditure of RAM is 2x and Manu is 3y. When I will add them, I'm getting 3,000. Instead of 2x, can I put y? Yes. y plus 3y is equal to 3000. So 1y, 3y, we can add like terms. 4y is equal to 3000. Y is equal to 3000 by 4. 4 sevens are 28, 2045. That will be 750. Correct? And y is 750. So x is equal to y by 2. So 750 by 2, that's a 375. Correct? So now they are asking for salaries. Salaries include savings and your expenditures. So you will add them. So it means Ram's salary is 5x plus 2x. That means 7x. So Ram's salary is 7x and Manu's salary is 4 plus 3, 7y. So 7, so I will multiply with the value of x, that's a 375. Now 7, I will multiply with the value of y, that's a 750. Okay, so when I will multiply, 7 5s are 35, 3, 7 7s are 49 and 3 is 52, 5, 7 3s are 21 and 5 is 26. So that's 2625. And Manu is, when you multiply 750 by 2, you are getting 5550. So that will be the salary of Manu. So 2625 and 5250. So option B will be your answer. Got it? So let's move to next question now. Yes. 4 raised to power 61 plus 4 raised to power 62 plus 4 raised to power 63 plus 4 raised to power 64. In this type of question, we will use a short trick to do these questions. Okay. So what I will do? I will take the minimum power which can be common. 461 is the 61 is the minimum power. So it means I can take 461 as a common. So if I will take 4 is to 61 as a common, so it will remain 1 here. Out of 4 is to power 62, if I will take 4 is to power 61 as a common, so powers will subtract it. 62 minus 61, it means 4 is to power 1. 1 will be there. 4 is to power 1. 63, when 61 I will take common, so 4 is to power 2 is left here. 2 will be left there. 4 is to power 3 will be left. Got it, everyone? So I will take the minimum power common. So 4 is to power 61 as a common. 1 plus 4 square is 16. 4 cube is 64. 4 4s are 16, 4s are 64. 4 is to power 61. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 and 16 is 21. And 21 and 64 is 85. So 4 is to power 65 and 85. If I will look, it will be divisible by 4 obviously because 4 is to power 61 is there. It is divisible by 2 as well. Okay. So now I will make the factors of 85. That's of 5 into 7. So it can be divisible by 5 and it can be divisible by 17 as well. Okay. So out of it cannot be divisible. Can we see 33 here? No. So it cannot be answer. 11 here? No. 17 I can see because 85 is also divisible by 17. So your option C will be answer for that. Okay. So it is a short trick to do these questions. Okay. Do the next. Find the area of unshaded region for the given figure. They have given the figure. Okay. What is the length here? X plus A plus X. That's a 2X plus. Right, everyone? What is the breadth? That's a 2Y plus. Fine, everyone? Okay. Now, what we have to do? Unshaded. Whenever they are asking for unshaded in this type of question, I will find total area if I will subtract the shaded area from that. Okay. Total area minus area of 4 shaded. What are these? These are rectangles or squares? X, Y. These are rectangles. So I will. Yes. Fine. So what is the total area? Area of a rectangle is length into breadth. Here is 2X plus A multiply with the 2Y plus A. That is the total area. Fine. So if you see that, you have to multiply. Otherwise, you can use an identity. What is the identity if you know that? A plus B multiply with the A plus C is equal to A square plus A as a common, B plus C plus BC. This is your identity. You can use direct multiplication or you can use this one. Okay. So here A plus 2X, then a plus 2y. Let's suppose I'm using identity here. So it will become a square plus a as a common, 2x plus 2y plus 2 2s are 4xy, right? So this will become my total area. Now I have to find area of first portion, second portion, third portion, fourth. What is the fourth? It is a x into y, length into breadth, that's a x into y. It is also x into y. It is also x into y. It is also x into y. So it means 4xy will be the area of 4 shaded rectangles, right? 4xy. Now what I have to do? Total area minus area of 4 shaded rectangles. This is my total area. If I will subtract 4 shaded rectangles, that's a 4xy. 4xy, 4xy, they got cancelled. Now a square plus 2ax plus 2ay. This will be my remaining area, or you can say that unshaded area. Fine. Let us see. Is the answer is in option 2ax, 2ay, a square. Yes. So it means C option will be my answer. Got it? Now let's move to next one now. A borrows rupees 800 at the rate of 12% per annum at a simple interest. And B borrows rupees 910 at the rate of 10% per annum at a simple interest. In how many years will their amount of debts will be equal? Okay. So they are asking in how many years their debts will be equal. What is a simple interest? The simple interest, just like if I'm borrowing 1,000 rupees from someone and in the end of a year, I'm giving him 100 rupees as an interest, I'm giving 1100. So I have given 100 rupees as an addition money to him. So that additional money is called as a simple interest. Let's suppose I'm not able to give that money in the end of a year. So in the end of 2 years, I have given 100 more. It means 100 as for 1 year, 100 for the second year. It means I have given him 1200 rupees. So this is my simple interest. If if he is taking interest on interest as well. Now he say I will not 1100 in the end of a year. Now you have to pay interest on a 1100 rupees, not on 1,000 rupees. Okay. So that will become an compound interest. That we will discuss in the next classes. Okay. Here we have a concept of simple interest. So simple interest is the additional money. Okay. It is the additional money. Fine. So they are saying they have two persons, A and B. A borrows 800 rupees and B borrows 910 rupees. A borrows at a 12% per annum and B borrows at the rate of 10% per annum. At a simple interest. In how many years will their amount of debts will be equal? Amount will be equal. Okay. What is the amount? Just like I have given you example, 1,000 plus 100, 1,100 is the amount paid by me at the end of a year. Okay. So it means amount is your principal plus your interest. Principal with the addition money. Okay. So principal is here 800. What is the interest? They are saying in how many years they will be equal. Let's suppose I give you, after X years, their amount of debts will be equal. Whenever we have to find something, we can assume that as X. Okay. So 800 plus interest will be principal into rate into time upon 100. Okay. So what is your principal? 800. Rate is your 12%. Time is a X years by 100. I will solve them. It is a 800 plus 12 is a 96x. Fine. This is the amount paid by A after X years. Now let's find the amount of the B paid by him after X years. So that's your, what will be amount? 910 is the principal plus interest is a 910 and rate is a 10% into X by 100. They will get cancelled this one and this one. So it is a 910 plus 91x. So they will be equal, they are asking 910 plus 91x. In this type of question, I will move x on one side and rest of the things on another side. 96x minus 91x is equal to 910 minus 800. 5x is equal to 110. So X is equal to 22 years. It means after 22 years, their amount of debts will be equal. So 22 years will be our answer. Got it? Next, move to next one now. Yes. In the given figure, ABC is a triangle in which BC is produced to D. BC is produced to D. Okay. A is to B is to C ratio is 3 is to 2 is to 1. A is to B is to C ratio is 3 is to 1. We know that sum of ABC is individually a triangle. Sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree, right? Sum of triangle ABC is 180. Now we have to divide 3 is to 2 is to 1 ratio. So it means 3x plus 2x plus 1x is equal to 180 degree, right? It means 6x is equal to 180 degree. It means x is equal to 30 degree. It means your first angle is A. So A is a 3x. So 3 into 30. It means A will be of 90 degree and B will be of 2 into 30. It means B will be of 60 degree and C will be of 1 into 30. That's a 30. Fine, everyone. These are the angles now. This is a 60 degree and this is a 30 degree. They are asking for ECD, this angle. Can you see that BCD is a line? BD is a straight line, you can say that. Okay, it is a straight line, so it means this is the 180 degree straight angle. Fine, this will be 180 degree in which this portion is 30, this is 90. So 30 plus 90, it means 120. And total will be 180. So how much is left now? It means 180 minus 180 degree, 60 degree will be the angle ECD. Got it, everyone? I am explaining this one again. This angle is 30 degree. Okay, this is 90 degree as this is given. 30 plus 90 is 120. What should be added to 120 to make it 180? So 60 degree. So 60 degree will be your angle ECD. Got it? Now move to next one now. Now we are done with some questions of the section 1, mathematics. Now we will start doing the questions of section 2, achiever section. Okay, who knows the probability? I think everybody knows the probability. Yes. So what is the probability? Probability means how likely something is to happen. How many chances are there? Okay, how likely something is to happen is called the probability. When a die is rolled, then match the following. Probability of getting an even prime number. Okay, you are throwing a die. Fine. Everybody plays Ludo, right? So when you throw a dice, what can come? Either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This option can come. Total number of cases are 6 here. Okay. So always write total number of cases. That will be 6. Probability of getting an even prime number. Tell me an even prime number. Out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Which is an even prime number? 2. 2 is the only even prime number. It is an even number and prime number as well. Prime number which can be divisible by themselves, which has only 2 factors, 1 and that number. Okay, even you know that 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So out of this, 2 is the only case. So 1 case out of 6. So 1 by 6. So P option 1 by 6 can any? Yes. So it means P belongs to 2. So first I will mark where P belongs to 2 out of the options. So here is out of A or C option can be answered. B and D are incorrect because they are saying P belongs to 1 and 4. So this cannot be answered. Second now, probability of getting a factor of 5. Okay, when you throw a dice, so what can come? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out of this, what are the factors of 5? Tell me, what are the factors of 5? 1 and 5. There are 2 factors of 5. Okay, so 2 by 6. 2 by 6 means 1 by 3. Okay, so 1 by 3 is the option 4. Q belongs to 4. Where is Q belongs to 4? Q belongs to 4 is here. If you can see that, so C can be your answer. But I will check rest of the parts as well with you. Probability of getting an odd number less than 1. If you throw a dice, can you get any number less than 1? No, 0. So it means R belongs to first part. Here is R belongs to first part. Probability of getting an odd numbers. How many odd numbers when you throw a dice? 1, 3, 5. 3 are the numbers, 3 in the counting. So 3 upon 6. So it means 1 by 2. So that option belongs to 3. So your answer will be C. Got it, everyone? So next, move to next one now. Read the statements carefully and state true for true and F for false. Everyone, please do these questions very, very carefully. Okay? Do these type of questions when there are a lot of options. Okay? Then there are many chances to lose an answer. Okay? So if x minus 2 by 4 plus 1 by 3 is equal to x minus 2x minus 1 by 3. Okay, everyone, this is the statement. I have to find the value of x. Okay, so let's see that. There are two methods to there. What is the first method? You can put x is equal to 1 by 6 here. And if both sides are equal, then it means x is equal to 1 by 6 is the correct answer. Okay, and another method is that I will take the LCM of the whole. If I will take the LCM here, it will become, I will take LCM as a 12. Okay, for the total value, so that my LCM will get cancelled. 12 divided the 4, 3. So it will here 3 into x minus 2. Plus, that's a 4 is equal to 12x minus 4 into 2x minus 2. Now my LCM will get cancelled. 3 into x minus 2 plus 4 is equal to 12x minus 4 into 2x minus 3. Correct? So 3x minus 3 to the 6 plus 4. Right? 3x minus 3 to the 6 plus 4 is equal to 12x minus 4 to the 8x minus minus, because minus is outside, so inside sign will change. So 3x minus 2 is equal to 12x minus 8x, 4x plus 4. X on one side, another things on other side. So 4x minus 3x is equal to minus 2 plus 4, here is minus 4. So it means x is equal to minus 6. So they are saying 1 by 6. So that's not the answer. So it is a false. So it means B option can't be your answer. I will cut it. If 1/5 of a number is 5 more than 1/10 of the same number, let the number be x. Okay. 1/5 of a number, 1 by 5x, is equal to 5 more than the 10th of that number. So I will add 5 more than 1 by 10. So I will put x on one side, the rest of the things on the other side. Minus 1 by 10x is equal to 5. 10 as a LCM, so it becomes 2x minus 1x upon 10 is equal to 5. So x is equal to 50. 2x minus 1x. So x is equal to 50. So number cannot be 10. So this is also false. So my second option is also B is also false. A is false, B is false. So where the option? C option. A is the false, B is the false. Okay. So let's move to third part now. An equation remains same when expression on the left hand side and right hand side interchange. Yes. If I will change. Let's suppose here x minus 3 is equal to 2x plus 4. Let's suppose I am something like that. 2x plus 18. Let's suppose I am. You have to find the value of x. So if I will write 2x plus 18 is equal to x minus 3. Does it matter? No. So it means yes, it can interchange those. Okay. Last step. So that's a true. False, false, true. So yes. If you can see that, so directly we can see that C is my answer. But I will also move to the next one. If the total of 4 consecutive odd integers is 40, then the smallest integer is the 7. I will start from the answer here. They are saying smallest is 7. 4 consecutive odd integer. What will be the odd integer after that? Obviously 9. And after that 11. After that 30. 7, 9, 11, 30. So 4 integers. Let's see if their sum is 40 or not. 7, 9, 16. Okay. 7, 9, 16. 16 plus that's a 24. That's a 40. Yes, it means this is also true. So this will be true. So false, false, true, true. So that why C will be my answer. Got it? Let's move to the next one now. The length and breadth of a playground are 100 meter and 45 meter respectively. Find the cost of leveling it at a rupees 5.50 per square meter How much time will a boy take to go 4 times around the playground if he takes at the rate of 5.8 per minute? There is a ground, first of all. Okay. 100 meter, 45 meter. They have to do the leveling. You know the meaning of leveling? And that costs 5 rupees 50 per square meter. Per square meter, you know that leveling will be the inside the ground. So that you have to find area. So what is the area? Areas of a rectangle is length into breadth. So it means 100 into 45. That's a 4,500 square meter. Fine, everyone? Now, you have to find cost of leveling. And for 1 square meter, what is the cost of leveling? For 1 square meter, cost of leveling is a 5 rupees 50 paisa. And I have to find for the 4,500 square meter. So it means I will multiply 4,500 multiply with the 5.50. Fine. So I will multiply with the 45 with the 55. So now I will put 3 zeros here. Now I will multiply 45 with the 5. Then I will multiply with the 11. Whatever the tricks you can use for the multiplication. Okay. So if I will do 55, 45 with the 55, I can multiply with the 5 first. So that's I'm getting 225, right? 5 5s are 25. Yes. Now I multiply with the 11 to make it 55. So 11 5s are 55, 5. 11 2s are 22 and 5 is 27. 2, 11 2s are 22 and 2 is 24. 2475. And after 2 decimals, there will be zeros. So 24750, 24,750 rupees will be the cost of the leveling in the rectangle garden. Okay, playground. 24750. So either B or D will be our answer. So let's use the second option as well. How much time will a boy take to go 4 times around the playground? If we have to move around the playground, it means we have to go for the perimeter. Okay, boundary always means the perimeter. Boy is moving around this one, like this one. But 4 times, it means you have to find the perimeter and multiply with the 4 times. Okay, so let's the distance traveled by a boy. Distance traveled by a boy. That's a perimeter is 2 into length plus breadth, 100 into 45. But they had taken 4 rounds, so I will multiply with the 4. Okay. So 4 into 145 multiply with the 2. 145 multiply with the 2 is 290. Yes, 290. 0, 9 4s are 36, 3, and 4 2s are 8, and 3 is 11. Correct. 160 meter will be the distance which he has to travel. Okay. Now, he walks at the rate of 5.8 per minute. Okay. In 1 meter, he is traveling, he is crossing, he walks at the distance of 5.8 meter. In 1 minute, he walks around 5.8 meter. In 160 minutes, how long it will take? So I will divide 160 divided with the 5.8. Fine, everyone. So I'm getting 116. I will remove this decimal and I will put above here 58 and 200. It means he will take 200 minutes to cover. Understand? So 200, it means your option B will be your answer. Got it? Let's move to the next one now. Oh, we are done with our questions. Okay. So this is the end of our session. I hope you enjoyed this session. Okay. Or we are continuing with our classes, online classes from the 2nd of January. Okay. Best of luck with your exam. I hope to see you there. Okay. Bye-bye. Thank you.